Hello guys. So do you want to get some free items in Roblox 2025? Like this? These all items? And these t-shirts or shirts? And these free t-shirts like this, like that, yan, and these pants. I gotta show you. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe para updated ka sa mga panibago kong video. So let's start na sa ating tutorial video. First thing first, search this game. Search Super Power Chakra. And let's enter. Yan. So ito ang pinakaunang lalabas. So, let's click that. Okay. Okay, skip na natin yan. O, pagkakap. Okay, yan. So, this, talk to this. Okay, skip. And let's use this. Okay. So, i-claim natin to. Ito siya. Dapat makompleto nyo yan. And pag natapos nyo na yan, punta kayo dito, and kailangan nyo na 2K. Okay, so, makukuha nyo yung ganito, yung nasa likod na itong village. Yan, ito. Yan. Itong likod na yan. Item. Tapos, yung makukuha nyo naman sa pinakauna, itong salamin niya. Itong glasses niya. Okay, so, let's proceed to another game. So, play this game, bro. Oh my god. So, search this. That's it. And the first pop-up pops up this. Okay. Claim. And let's go. Okay, sundan nyo ko. Kung saan ko pupunta. Tsaka na. Rebook ka sa library. Okay. Sit here. Oh. What like, oh, bro. Yun. Okay, so just wait. Just wait and just wait. Okay, so this is not working. Oh my god. Let's try to another. Oh my. Why can I? Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait and wait and wait and wait. Okay, so when pag na-meeting na kayo, punta kayo dito sa sector. Ito kila to, gamit dito yan. Okay, so now, and that and go to this portal. And you will be a tail na OB. Okay? Okay? Finish this OB. Finish this OB. May post. Quit na ako sa YouTube na fake, pre. I'm just making a content for you guys. Okay? So don't worry if you die. Because they have a checkpoint here. So be careful for this obstacle. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos or gaming videos. Okay, so oh, who's this, bro? Who's this? Goku? Are you? Are you who? Are you? Oh man, hirap hirap magkaroon ng English channel. Oh man. Di naman 'to English channel, eh, Tagalog channel 'to, ba't parang nag-English ako dito, pero sige, magtutulak kayo sarap niyo. Oh my oh no! Naglalag ako, oh my God. Okay, how many times did I die? It's, yeah, okay. So be careful if you have a device, cell phone. Okay, be careful, be careful. Oh, okay, okay. How many times I say that I'm no about this bird. I need to eat. Okay, I'm speedrunning this. Oh, because okay, okay. So, malapit na tayo. No! Kainis kang ubi ka. Nakakainis. Pero pag natapos nyo tong ubi na to, nakuha ko na kasi itong ay. Kaya, tuturuan na lang kayo. Kaya ako tinatapos ng ubi. Okay, so malapit na tayo. Okay, continue lang lang. Okay, so okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Don't bilag. Yo. Okay. 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 So avoid this egg or something. I don't know this falling down. Okay, once. Okay, this is the free item that you get. Okay, so there's that. Plastic, please. Okay, so let's proceed to another game. Search this game. Search this game. Mansion of Wonder. So let's enter that. The first pops up is this. Okay. So, once na nandito ka na, punta ka dito sa tayo dito sa GetSwag and redeem code. Search, redeem this code. Month. And this FXA is successfully redeemed. Okay, so so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this game. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click na bell para updated ka sa mga panibagong video. Bye bye mga kabloksi.